Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for another custom bullet journal flip through. So as you guys may know, I am a full-time bullet journaler, so I post my bullet journal spreads here on YouTube and Instagram, but then I also sell custom bullet journals, so all of my customers get to pick the different pieces that they want in their journal and I put it together. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, you can check out my Etsy shop linked in the description, but if you're just here to get lots of bullet journal inspiration because I post lots of these flip throughs every month, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. So here's the journal that we're flipping through today, and this journal actually is from the Washi tape shop. They release these, I think they call them journaling kits, and so it's this really unique journal. It's got a floral cover here. It is kind of blush pink. I feel like on camera it looks almost white, but it's blush pink. It's got pink on the edges of the pages, and because it's part of a journal kit, it also came with this pack of a bunch of different beautiful floral washi tapes that I've been using so much lately. You've probably seen them in some of my other flip throughs, but they came together with this in a journaling kit from the Washi tape shop. So of course I do have a discount code for the Washi tape shop that I will have in the description in case you're interested in any of their products. So to start off, we've got the title for the year. So this journal is in 2022, and I just did a really simple floral and gold theme. I wanted to kind of tie in the flower patterns from the cover right away with the yearly spreads, so I used some of that floral washi tape and drew some flowers of my own. Then she's got a goals page and a health tracker. Then a things to check out page, and a place to record all the books that she reads throughout 2022. And then finally, there's a highlight spread. So even though this was only a 6-month journal, I included all 12 months of the year on this highlights page so that she can use the rest of the journal to fill with the rest of the months of this year. So that's all for the yearly spreads. Then I left a couple of blanks before getting into January. So January may be starting to look familiar. This is a theme that I've really been enjoying lately. It's this little cookie theme, and I actually did do a video on my channel of me kind of doing a tutorial of how to do this theme as one of my October theme ideas. So I'm going to link that video above in case you're interested in some really simple bullet journal theme ideas, including this little cookie spread. So this is the first weekly layout that she opted for. So all the days of the week are on the middle here, and then we've got a spot for events over to the side, the title of the month and a doodle, a tasks list, and a spot for notes. And these pages, I'm not totally sure if you can tell on camera, they are slightly off-white, so they're a little bit more ivory colored than the Archer and Olive journals, but not super noticeable. Then we've got February. So for February, I did this little envelope mail theme. And honestly, for February, I just decided I was going to open Pinterest and use the first picture I saw as inspiration. And I happened to see a picture of a pen paling setup. So I decided to do sort of a pen pal theme for this one. So every month has a title page like this, and then there's a budget page with a spot for bills, income, and spending. And then there's a big monthly calendar with spots for a monthly focus and some goals to achieve throughout the month. Then we get to the second weekly layout. So this one has all the days of the week over to this side, and then on the other side, same things, just rearranged. So there's a title for the month and some doodles, a spot for events, tasks, and notes. Then is March. So for March, I did this little flower truck that says flowers for sale. And the big reason I wanted to do this is because I wanted to have some sort of theme that incorporated this washi tape. Since it is kind of the washi tape that matches with this journal cover and they came in a set, I wanted to feature that washi tape in one of the monthly themes. So I did a little flower truck here for March, just using the washi tape and kind of drawing a truck around it. In March, you'll also notice I did these boxes with like sort of the double outline, which I've been using so much in my own journal lately. It's such like a simple way to make an outline or to make a box, but I just feel like it looks so like classy. So that's March. Then we've got April, and for April she asked for some kind of Paris theme, so I combined that with the idea of a Polaroid theme that I've done many times before. So again, I used my gold marker, and I will say these gold markers are from Mr. Pen. I got a whole pack of metallic markers from them, which I'll try to link down in the description. So yeah, I used my gold marker and my pink to make this little Paris Polaroid theme. Then for May, I did a little cow theme, and I have done this before for like a pen pal. I did this purple cow themed pen pal, and this cow doodle is from Cynthia over on Instagram. So I'm going to link her Instagram account down in the description. She used this as her January theme and had like a little tutorial for how to draw these kind of cows. So that's what I used to make this May theme here. Also, the stamps that I used for the May title, they are from Paperwrld. That's where all of my stamps are from. They are great quality, and of course I'll have discount code down in the description. And then finally we come to June. So for June, I did this little cactus, and then I used just a bunch of this sort of greenery cacti washi tape, again from the washi tape shop. So that's all for this journal. Again, it is a 6-month journal, so she's got almost half of the journal left that she can fill with the other 6 months of the year. Thank you all so much for joining me to flip through another custom bullet journal. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.